Hello, my name is Alan Murray and welcome to the Advanced Excel Tricks course. Hours of awesome Excel tricks that will impress. So we have lots to cover in this course. We are going to look at lots of Excel tips that will supercharge your productivity. Some of these will be new shortcuts or Excel features. Others will be features that you are probably familiar with, but maybe we will be showing them in a way that you have not seen before and that you didn't realize they had the potential to do. We will also look at the very best functions in Excel. Not all functions are equal. There are some functions that are capable of things that others can only dream of. And we'll be focusing on those more complex ones in this course. We will also look at advanced charts and formatting techniques, making them interactive, more powerfully visual and dynamic. And we're going to be looking at much more. Now, when you are inside the course player, you will see a list of the modules and the lessons down the left hand side. And you can jump and skip to whatever you want. I encourage you to check out all of the lessons because I'm sure there is some benefit in all of the lessons. But you can skip ahead and you can also come back and re-watch any lessons to recap on the things that you've learned. In the second lesson, you will get to download the exact files that I'm using in the course, so you can use those to follow along with me. Also, most of the modules will have some exercises, some homework for you to practice on. There is also a discussions area in each and every lesson, so if you have any questions on the material, please post that in the discussion area and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So let's stop talking about it, let's get going. I'll see you in the next lesson.